What's up, hackers? Welcome back to another episode of our Get There Faster series. And this week, I am going to be talking about the impact of your professional stretch. A commonly misinterpreted success factor in achieving the P word promotion is that you just need high performance or to simply do your job well to get there faster. This thought was eloquently debunked in Harvey Coleman's book, Empowering Yourself, the Organizational Game Revealed. He explained that in order to get to your destination faster, you need 10% performance, 30% image, and 60% exposure. You can have high performance all day long in my John Legend voice, but if the right people are not aware of your skills, you are missing the true exposure that you need. You can do activities to expose yourself by way of stretch assignments. This includes taking on challenging solution-based projects that involve collaboration with internal and external partners, adding value to strategic assignments or training programs, attracting high-caliber succession candidates, or even assuming responsibilities of a more senior position. All of what I explained is more work, and it falls outside of the category of your normal responsibilities. You have to be a key decision maker in determining the impact that comes with your stretch. Research has shown that when deciding whether to say yes to a stretch assignment, men are 3.5 times more likely than women to prioritize the ching pay as a yes factor for accepting stretch assignments. I once took a stretch assignment on my own that not only unleashed my potential, but it helped me land a promotion. I took extra responsibility for a more senior, open role within my company, which means that they needed me while still being responsible for my primary duties. I got great exposure, I built great relationships, I maintained my results, and learned skills that helped me be successful in each and every role after that. I did not receive any additional pay for the assignment, and when I was promoted, I was still on the bottom tier of the compensation band, and to be frank, I was completely lowballed, earning less than half of my predecessor's salary. This was my 85K story. There were some factors that I did not take ownership of when accepting the assignment. If I knew then what I know now. Think of a stretch like a rubber band. When you stretch a rubber band and pop it across the room, you want it to land on a bullseye. That target is your promotion, your raise, or your skill upgrade. While mine helped me gain exposure and position, I wasn't educated enough to understand how this should have impacted my pay and my career longevity. Understand the impact to your exposure so you don't make misguided decisions that lead to disappointment, burnout, and financial distress. Which of the following effects do you want your rubber band to have? Number one, avoid reverse impact. If you stretch a rubber band and let go of the finger that is furthest away from your face, it's gonna pop back towards you and slap you, causing damage to your emotional, financial, and physical health. This is what I felt in my stretch assignment. I had many personal sacrifices that I made for nearly $0. Stretch assignments come with trade-offs of time and can be risky to commit to highly visible work that adds to your workload. So you have to be clear on your financial, relational, and career-making outcomes that you're targeting and prevent the rubber band from slapping you in the face. Number two, avoid the low impact assignments. When you're stretched, but you're not stretched far enough, or it takes you absolutely nowhere. Doing a project that does not have clear direction, doesn't align with your goals, nor play to your strengths, you don't get the visibility, nor are you're unable to make a measurable business impact, are considered low. Even the most eloquently executed stretch assignments won't mean much if no one knows about it. Number three, you want to avoid the breaking point. Your rubber band is so stretched with complex challenges that it breaks. It doesn't foster growth, learning, or upskilling. You need to understand the assignment, discuss your resources that you need to be successful, and you have to know how to measure your own capacity. Number four, shoot for high impact. This is that optimal outcome. You stretch, you shoot, and it lands on the promotion, raise, or the skills you need for that future job you're going to accept. Know as many details as possible about your stretch opportunity. That includes pay, recognition, your development goals, the company's expectations, and the next step in your career. Both pay and exposure are critical to consider in understanding the impact you want to make in your rubber band effect. You have to be a partner with defining your direction, negotiating your success, taking ownership of your upgraded skills, and make early decisions on how you leverage your new bossiness. So be sure that your high impact stretch assignment doesn't discount the personal advantages you should expect, negotiate, and measure for success. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to be directional with your rubber band during your stretch assignment.